Salam everyone, today we are making beef haleem. As you all are familiar, ingredient details are in the description box below. Here are some lentils, rice and porridge that we'll need. So we'll start off by taking half cup of oil or ghee in a pressure cooker, then we'll add in some onions and fry them until they're golden brown. Meanwhile, we'll be preparing our lentils mixture. Take a pot and add in our washed and overnight soaked lentils in it. Also add the rice and porridge. Add in a liter of water and let it cook until everything gets tendered. When the onions are golden brown, save them for garnishing. In the same oil, we're going to be adding our half kg of beef. This is a pro tip, make sure that you cut your beef into long pieces like mine. Add in some ginger garlic paste and saute for a while. Next, add in all of the mentioned spices. Go in for 3 tablespoons of yogurt and stir fry well. Pour in half a liter of water and put it on wait until the meat gets tendered. Here our lentils, rice and porridge are completely tendered. Blend this mixture into a blender or any way you want until it converts into a smooth paste. Now we'll grind our dry spices. I've listed all of them in the description box below. As you can see, the meat is completely tendered. We'll pour the gravy in a lentils mixture. Here I've mashed the meat, this way we could add it to the lentils mixture. Mix well after adding the mashed meat. Add in half liter of water, give it a good mix and cover for an hour. After uncovering, add in our grinded dry spices. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget subscribing and turn the black thumb below. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.